of all, excuse my appearance today. I'm actually not wearing makeup because I'm gonna go get my lashes done later. Basically, when I go get them done, I'm not supposed to wear any makeup or mascara or anything. So I basically only did like my skincare this morning. I put on some sunscreen, so I'm looking a little like pale, I guess. Anyways though, today's video is like a little self-care video, vlog, whatever you want to call it. I think the last time I filmed like a self-care video was literally like this summer before the semester started. So for some reason my camera cut off, so I'm just gonna keep talking where I left off. This month has been really crazy, you guys. Basically, I just need to do some things for myself. So that's honestly the main thing I had to say for this introduction. I'm gonna leave in a little bit to go get my lashes done by Darby. She did my lashes for recruitment. She's located in like the Atlanta, Marietta, Kennesaw area. I'm probably gonna leave in a few minutes, go get my lashes back because I literally have like 3 lashes on both eyes, and I'll keep you guys updated with what I do after that. Don't forget to subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram. I just got my lashes done. I'll probably show you guys better later. It feels so good to have them back on because I literally had like 3 lashes in each eye. Right now, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and head to my nail bar. I go to Les Mains. I could probably put the name on the screen. Before COVID, I would go there a lot more, but I honestly haven't been going recently just because like lately I've just been going near where I live. But today I was like, you know what? I haven't been to Les Mains in a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over there. I think today I'm just gonna get a pedicure. I don't really need anything special on my hands. I love the Laneige lip balm. I'm literally like running out of it. I don't even know if you guys can see. Also, if you guys want to get your lashes done by Darby, I could probably put a code or something on the screen. I think she said you guys could just enter that code when you're checking out on the website and it'll give you some sort of discount. I don't know, I'll post it like on the screen whenever like I get the full details. Anyways, thank you Darby for doing my lashes. I literally just love them and they're so clean and like I just love them. Now we're gonna go ahead and head to Les Mains. And yeah, so I'm so excited to show you guys where it is because it's like so pretty in there. Construction outside of Big Sky? It's been like that forever. Okay, so hey guys, so it's a little bit later. I did get my pedicure at Les Mains. I honestly love the aesthetic of that place. It's always so clean. I didn't show you guys like my feet or anything because I don't know if that's weird. I low-key feel like that's weird, so I'm probably not gonna show you guys my feet. But I did get sort of like a gold champagne color only because it's like the holiday season. I always get white for my pedicure, so I was like, I need to switch it up a little bit. Part of me wanted to do red, but also like I just feel like red might be better for a manicure and not a pedicure. But the point is, I got my pedicure done. I always try to get one before the new year. It just helps me feel more, I don't know, I guess more like fresh, new. Anyways, right now I'm actually on my way to Emma's. We're gonna film a video that we've said we were gonna film since literally like Halloween. I brought my makeup bag with me in the car. I'm probably gonna do my makeup once I get to her place.
In 2 miles, take the exit onto Chastain Road.
Why do I still have the GPS? I know where to go from here. I don't know why I had the GPS on. I completely forgot about it. And yeah, so once I get to Emma's, I'm gonna do my makeup. We're gonna film that video finally. I still need to get today's Vlogmas video uploaded as well. So although this is a self-care vlog, there's definitely still a lot going on. I think that's really all I wanted to say. Depending on what time I get home, I want to do more like self-care things. I'm so tired. I'm back home now. I'm actually gonna go ahead and use this bath bomb right now. It definitely has been a minute since I've used a bath bomb before, so I'm really excited for that. So far it's kind of just dyeing the water like a little orange. Oh, it looks like there's pink in there. I've never tried this one. I really just got it because it was like the shape of a peach and I thought it was really cute. I also did set up this little thing that I got from Home Goods this summer. As you can see, I got my little glass of wine. This is definitely one of my favorite little glasses from IKEA. I actually thought that this thing right here was meant for your glass of wine to sort of like go inside like that, but this little thing just like isn't big enough, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it over here. I'm also assuming this thing right here is like for a book. I don't think I would put my laptop yet, but we'll see later on. I'll probably try it. This honestly looks so pretty. I'm literally obsessed with this. Like, oh my gosh. Just finished bathing, you guys. It was literally so relaxing. As you could tell, I'm like almost done with my red wine. White wine is definitely like my go-to, but I literally just had no white wine, so I just went with what I had. Also, after my shower, I just applied this Hemp's original like body lotion, body moisturizer. As you could tell, I'm like halfway through, and then Emma got me one for my big little gifts. After I finish this one, I'm definitely gonna use the one that she gave me. In case you guys want to try out a new lotion, this one literally smells so good. Like, you guys just have to smell it. I'm gonna make these M&M mini cookies. They looked like they were so good, so just look at that. Once it preheats, I'm gonna go ahead and put these in there. We're gonna let these cool down for a little bit and then we're gonna try them. The cookies have cooled down. I just decided to put them on this plate that I got from Target last year. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try it. You're gonna choke if you eat like that.
These look like brownies. Mmm. I really like how soft they are. Like, I thought they were gonna be hard and crunchy, but they're actually really soft. I'll give them like a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, okay. I told you were gonna choke.
I'm good.
I think it helped that I put butter on the thing in the bottom because it kind of adds a little bit of saltiness. Mmm. They're really yum.
What would you rate it?
Probably the same.
9 out of 10.
Either that or maybe an 8 just because like they're good.
But they're not like, whoa.
Yeah.